Welcome back to the Windows Club. Need internet but don't want to use your mobile data? Maybe you are traveling, your mobile signal is weak, or you have simply run out of data. The good news is that there are several legitimate ways to get free Wi-Fi almost anywhere. In this video, I will show you the best ways to get free Wi-Fi for your laptop or mobile phone. Let's get started. Chain establishments. Many businesses provide free Wi-Fi to keep customers in their stores longer. For example, coffee shops, restaurants, hotels, retail stores, libraries, airports, railway stations, and shopping malls often offer free internet access. If you are a regular customer and on good terms with the manager of the place, you can ask the manager for the chain's Wi-Fi password. Hotel chains like Marriott, Hyatt, Comfort Inns, Taj Group of Hotels, Holiday Inn provide free Wi-Fi. Then there are retailers who provide free Wi-Fi to their customers to retain them longer. The advantage the retailers get is that people will stay longer and thus they can earn more on food, beverages, or anything they are selling. Check out these retailers in your area: Apple Store, Barnes & Noble, Best Buy, Gap Inc., H&M, IKEA, Lowe's, Safeway, Staples, Whole Foods. Some restaurants like Starbucks also allow you to use their Wi-Fi for free. Here's a list that I found on the internet. Now playing: Burger King, Cafe Coffee Day, Denny's, Dunkin', Einstein Bros, Hooters, Krispy Kreme, McDonald's, Panera, Pete's Coffee, Quino's, Starbucks, Subway, Taco Bell, Wendy's. You can simply search for free Wi-Fi near me on Google or Bing to locate and get free Wi-Fi for laptops and phones. There are many more brands that offer free Wi-Fi. You may also get free Wi-Fi in local libraries and public places. In India, around 400 railway stations offer free Wi-Fi to people. This is an initiative by the Government of India and Google Inc. Mobile tethering. Get free Wi-Fi for phone and laptop. If you don't trust public Wi-Fi, use your phone's mobile hotspot. Simply open settings and go to network and internet, then tethering and portable hotspot or similar options depending on your device. Turn on the hotspot, set a strong password if prompted, then connect your laptop or another phone to that Wi-Fi network. Keep in mind that this uses your mobile data plan. You can use the yesteryear's dial-up modem. In this case, you simply connect your phone to your computer and dial your internet service provider's number. Since it is a call in progress, people trying to reach you via mobile carrier will get an engaged tone. You can attach and pair your mobile and laptop using Bluetooth and set up a dial connection. This too won't inform you about incoming calls. Use Wi-Fi Finder apps to get free Wi-Fi. If you search your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, you will find many apps that claim they can connect you to free Wi-Fi hotspots available. Some popular options include Wi-Fi hotspot 3G or 4G, portable Wi-Fi hotspot, mobile hotspot. Wifinity. Before installing any app, always check its ratings and user reviews to make sure it's trustworthy. Apart from these, there are several other ways to get a free Wi-Fi connection. Take a portable modem when you travel, use your ISP's hotspot, etc. Panda Security has come up with an interesting infographic on this. Stay safe while using free Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi is convenient, but it isn't always secure. Remember the dangers of using free Wi-Fi. Whenever you connect to a public network, use a VPN whenever possible, especially while traveling. Avoid logging into banking or other sensitive accounts. Disable file sharing option. Verify the network name with the staff before connecting. Forget the network after you are done so that you don't get automatically connected next time. Those are some of the easiest and safest ways to get free Wi-Fi on your laptop or phone. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the Windows Club for more Windows tips, tutorials, and tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.